Good morning, our lovely professor and my lovely friends. I am Satang Bunthan, joined by Jiratchaya Seerung, Tonkhaw, Wasinee, Nganlasom, function Atikarn Jankruea, and focus Sirawit Kruaphakdee. Today we are presenting our transport improvement proposal for the Kangsadan intersection. This intersection is a vital network that connects residents in the area, but it urgently needs fixed. So here is our preview for today. The first part, Tonkhaw and Air will explain the current situation and of course identify the problem, followed by function will outline the solution and focus will weigh the advantages and disadvantages, and I will conclude the presentation. Let's begin.
Thank you, Stan. Looking at the current situation, the daily volume of vehicles passing through Kangsadan completely exceeds its design capacity. For commuters, this creates a highly stressful environment. The biggest impact is on public transport because they lack of safe drop-off zones. Buses frequently get trapped in gridlock without safe access in the curve, and passengers face massive delays when they have to get their final destination.
Thank you, Ed. We have identified three specific problems. First is severe traffic congestion, especially during rush hours. Second is a critical safety hazard. If the main traffic lights have been broken for an extended period, this leads to dangerous uncontrolled mergings, which can easily cause an emergency. Finally, there is a total lack of management to handle a critical peak hours vehicle load safely. We need a serious engineering solution. Function will now discuss.
Thank you, Tonkhaw. We propose the three main important improvements. First is government action. Local authorities must prioritize these intersections. Second, signal restoration. We must restore the broken traffic lights immediately to return a basic safety. And the third one, system overhaul. We need a modernized road to manage the system. It's unlike the train that follows strict by the track. And yes, we need a vehicle road that dynamic management. Okay, so by overhauling, we can untangle this chaos. We can establish a safe platform for bus passengers and ensure that people who use a bike or cycle are safe. Next focus.
Thank you, function. The key advantages of our plan are optimized traffic flow and reduce accidents. The car will move efficiently and that will reduce the commute time, also save some wasted fuel. By clear signaling, it will eliminate the current chaos that happened, and it will ensure safety for everyone. However, the disadvantages include high costs. We will require a big amount of financial support from the government, and another thing is we will require a traffic block or a lane closure that will make the traffic there worse in the time of construction.
So the conclusion for our presentation is that we have reviewed the current congestion, outlined the practical solution, and weighed the long-term benefit for this intersection. So we would like to say thank you for your time and attention.